There are Sandvik products that touch people's lives on a day-to-day basis without even knowing about it. My children are probably sick of the fact that I will point out in everyday life products that they use that have Sandvik powder in them.
Keith Murray is the Business Development Manager for Product Area Powder at Sandvik Materials Technology. He is a key member of the group, leading the development of metal powder for especially metal additive manufacturing. Powders used for applications within, amongst many, the automotive, aerospace, medical, and rapid tooling areas.
As a child, my favorite toy was Lego. I was always building things. I was always curious to know how things worked. So being able to, show people components, show people systems, show people products that our products go into and our powders go into, I think is what drives me, that seeing the tangible result from all the hard work.
Sandvik is a world-leading producer of metal powder with over 35 years' experience developing gas atomizing technology.
At Sandvik, we've developed some proprietary technology which creates a strong speciality in the production of metal powders with very fine particle sizes. So using and leveraging that technology, we focus on industries such as metal injection molding, and in the last 10 years more and more so on additive manufacturing. The development I've seen in the 10 years I've been with Sandvik is significant. The industry is almost unrecognizable. It shows no sign of slowing down. If anything, it seems to accelerate. So as one of the world's leading suppliers of metal powder into that industry, the opportunities are really exciting.
Additive manufacturing is beneficial for producing components with complex designs or those benefiting from being light in weight. Approximately 95% of the powder put into the process is used, and the rest can be recycled. Metal powder is a key component in further developing and expanding the unique opportunities that additive manufacturing brings.
To date, it's been about manufacturing and producing powders that have come from other industries and other technologies. I think the next step is really designing new products and solutions that are customized for what additive manufacturing can do. We're working with other parts of Sandvik with the product area additive that's been formed recently within Sandvik Machining Solutions. And I think working together we can bring something unique and something of added value to the industry.
For Sandvik and Keith Murray, the focus now is to identify how to further take advantage of the possibilities that come with additive manufacturing.
When I started my career in Sandvik, I never anticipated being involved in such a revolutionary technology. And as an engineer, that's really exciting. I think today people's perceptions are that the technology is limitless. You can do everything with additive manufacturing. And I think we still need to try and really figure out and understand where the true benefits are and how we can apply that in commercial applications.